Hello, I'm going to teach you what's your last name. The question. Как ваша фамилия? And this is formal I'm showing you here. Ваша. Как ваша фамилия? If you want to go informal, you are going to go твоя. Here, твоя. Как твоя фамилия? But if you ask the last name, you might as well be formal, no? Okay, so I'm showing you formal here. Как ваша фамилия? Familia is last name. In English language we have three words. We have surname, last name, family name. In Russian it's only one, familia. So you don't confuse it as soon as it's cognate. Sounds the same as English. Almost. Family. Don't confuse it with family. It's not family. Familia. In Russian language, how many syllables? Familia. 4 syllables. It is last name, surname, family name, familia. Как ваша фамилия? I'll put here the answer, my maiden name. Моя фамилия Елисеева. As you see, the question we asked the same as we asked как вас зовут? What's your name? Как вас зовут? With как. How, this is a question word, how, как. And the same we ask, how is your last name? Как ваша фамилия? There are variations, we can say какая, you know, but this is a popular way to say как ваша фамилия. Как ваша фамилия? What's your last name? Моя фамилия Елисеева. Моя. My last name is Елисеева. And this is my Russian maiden name. Okay guys, here I'm going to show you a lot of stuff. You think I'm teaching you only just one question? No, I have a global approach. Yes, I'm teaching you basics, but with the basics I am trying to teach you a lot of knowledge about Russian grammar. So you will be will feel easier when you are further in the language. Okay, so I'm going to show you here possessive pronouns. In this culture, in American culture where I live, they love to call it, in many grammar books, they love to call them possessive adjectives. I never call them possessive adjectives. For me, they are possessive pronouns. In Russian grammar, we have притяжательные местоимения, possessive pronouns. I think they are pronouns. For me, they are pronouns. For me, adjectives are adjectives, you know, long and short and polite and rude. You know, these are adjectives describing qualities of noun. For me, these are pronouns. So they are. I always teach the same my ESL students. These are easier to understand that these are possessive pronouns. Okay, so possessive pronouns in Russian language are of 3 genders, but don't be scared too much. They are going to agree with the gender of the, you know, of the noun they describe. For example, here in this phrase we have моя фамилия, my last name, familia, ya, a ending. It is feminine gender. I put genders here in yellow. Oops, yellow. Highlight. Feminine. Usually we say masculine, feminine, neuter. In Russian. Мужской род, женский род, средний род. These are Russian initials. 3 genders. 3 genders of nouns. And as you see, possessive pronouns will be agreeing with these 3 genders, and adjectives in Russian language will be agreeing with the 3 genders. Okay, so we have to get used with these things from the beginning when we start to understand more as we learn. Okay, guys, so I show you here with red color женский род, feminine gender, familia, because, you know, in our phrase is feminine gender, familia. Моя фамилия, твоя фамилия, его фамилия, ее фамилия, наша фамилия, ваша фамилия, их фамилия. Okay? My last name, your last name, informal, твоя, его, г-о, as you see, we pronounce во, and you get used to it. Almost in all Russian words we pronounce go, this combination, this syllable we pronounce as vo, его. His last name, ее, her last name, наша фамилия, our last name, ваша фамилия, your last name, их фамилия, their last name. Okay, so I have here in red color feminine gender of possessive pronoun, feminine gender. Here in smaller print I put for you masculine and neuter. Okay, and I give you two examples, also one masculine, one neuter. For example, masculine noun is brat, is brother, brat, and neuter is лицо. Лицо is face. Okay, so if you want to say my brother, you say мой брат, or you want to say my face, мое лицо. Okay, or you want to say твой брат, your brother, твое лицо, your face. His brother, его брат, его лицо, his face, его лицо. Okay, ее брат, her brother, ее лицо, her face. Наш брат, our brother, наше лицо, our face. Ваш брат, your brother, ваше лицо, your face. Их брат, their brother, их лицо, their face. Okay, so I show you here all three genders to be complete, to be consistent here, but actually in our phrase we need only feminine gender. Okay guys, why did I say don't be scared that we have here three genders? Why? You see big similarities, similarities here. For example, мой, твой, look, they are almost the same. Мой, твой, this is я и ты, personal pronouns I and you, and possessive мой, твой, моя, твоя, мое, твое. So guys, you see, they are almost the same, only M and T, okay, difference. Okay. Then you see on, она, personal pronouns he and she, you see they are all the same in three genders. How cool, how cute. What a relief. Его, его. You see, его. His. You know, three genders the same. You see how nice? Она, she, all three genders the same. Her. Ее. Whatever gender you say, you always say ее, means her. Okay? Now, we have мы and вы. We have plural personal pronoun, we and you. Okay? Мы and вы. And we say наша, ваша, наш, ваш, наше, ваше, three genders, okay? Our and your in three genders. Our, feminine gender, наша, и your, feminine gender, ваша. For example, наша фамилия, our last name, and your last name, ваша фамилия. Наш брат, our brother, ваш брат. Our brother, your brother. Наш брат, ваш брат. Наше лицо, our face, ваше лицо. Ваше, your face. For example, the face of your company or something, okay? Okay, guys, so as you see, наш, ваш, they are very similar. Наш, ваш, only one letter different, okay? Не and ve. Наше, ваше, наша, нашим, вашим. Нашим, вашим. We have many, you know, like short sayings and anecdotes, and, you know, it's very convenient. It's very rhythmical, okay? The last one, watery leaf, there's again the same. As you see, the third gender singular and the third gender plural, the same for all three genders. What nice, what a relief in Russian grammar. Ich. So whatever you say, ich, theirs, ich, you are going to use only one form, always, okay? So if you look attentively at these possessive pronouns, which I am showing you here, you see they are not very scary, because many of them are repeated. And if you just put for yourself a few familiar words of little vocabulary which you study from the beginning, and you exercise with them, you know, about your family or something, and you will see it's not very difficult, okay? So one more time, it was here, I taught you here, как ваша фамилия? The question, what's your last name? And the answer, моя фамилия, my last name, моя фамилия. and I show my name, Yeliseyeva, and I show you 3 genders, and I show you possessive pronouns in 3 genders, and I show you how not difficult they are at all, because certain things are repeated, okay? And also the last thing what I wanted to say here, that Russian people have the first name, имя. My name is Zoya, меня зовут Zoya, и моя фамилия, девичья фамилия, maiden name is Yeliseyeva, фамилия. And in Russian culture we also have patronymics. When we Russian people live in different countries, we usually probably don't use our patronymics. But in Russian culture, within our culture, we do use our patronymics. Our patronymics are polite, complete name of a person. So my patronymic name is, patronymic means from my father. My father's name is Vladimir. Okay, so my patronymic is a possessive form of that Vladimir is Vladimirovna. Okay, so my full name in Russian culture is Zoya Vladimirovna Yeliseyeva. Okay, this is my complete name. In this culture, when they ask me for the second name, I say I don't have middle name. I say I don't have middle name, because patronymic is not a middle name. Patronymic is the name of Russian culture. You know, it's not a middle name as in American culture or in you know, other cultures they give the Christian name. It's the second first name actually, right? Middle name. So we don't have that. We have different. Okay, I will show you separate separate slide on Russian patronymics sometimes later. But right now I'm consistent in giving you, you know, the beginning phrases, so we could make a little, you know, story with you. Started in the beginning when we started studying Russian. Okay, so in Russian culture we have имя, фамилия, отчество. Okay, in Russian language, имя, фамилия, отчество. This is what is usual goes in documents and in passports and everywhere. And this is name, last name, and patronymic. Okay, имя, фамилия, отчество. So, как ваша фамилия? It's just last name, and I taught you here this question and this answer. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Well, I wanted to add here to write, you know, how with written Russian. Wanted to show you как ваша фамилия, the question. Как. Okay, let's look at it. Как, how. Как, it is question word how. We are going to use it. It's question word how. Or relative, you know, word how. Ваша. Okay. I made it a little bit more beautiful, more classical. Ваша. Ваша. Familia, feminine gender. Your last name. Familia is last name. Familia. The last syllable, ya. In Russian language, one vowel makes the syllable, okay? We have 4 syllables here. Fa, mi, li, ya. 4 syllables, one letter ya making the syllable. Моя фамилия, моя фамилия. So now you can say in Russian language, как вас зовут? Меня зовут Mary, for example, and моя фамилия is Rodriguez. Mary Rodriguez. You can say now in Russian language your name. After my 2 slides, you can say you can answer the questions. What's your name and what's your last name? Thank you. Bye.